Yo, we're back at it again, you get me? Today's Sunday, we're gonna be doing a market forecast, a weekly forecast, you get me? Right now we're on gold, weekly time frame. Right now the time it doesn't matter even because it's Sunday, you get me? So yeah, man, as you can see, the market has been ranging, like not ranging, it's been consolidating between here and here, you get me? I just marked out the highest high and the major low, you feel me? Let me just go to the, as you can see on the weekly, the market been ranging between this one and this one. I just want to show you the weekly, you feel me, before I go to the daily real quick. I'm just gonna do a quick market forecast. I'm not gonna take a long time, you get me? So as you can see, the market been consolidating here. So I marked out the buy side liquidity here and sell side liquidity here, you get me? The reason I didn't mark this one is because this one is closer to this one, so I prefer this. If the market is gonna go up, it should take both of this. It might take this one alone, you feel me, because it's a major one. Let me just do this, you feel me? I don't mind doing this, and I'll just move this to this. Once this break here, I'll just adjust to the lower one, you feel me? No problem. So I marked out my buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity, you feel me? So I see a fair value gap even here. I see a fair value gap here. The reason I'm marking out this fair value gap is because it broke this high, you feel me? So it's a valid fair value gap, this one. Inverted fair value gap right now because it didn't support. Let me do this. It's gonna become an inverted fair value gap, you get me? Let me change this color to a dark color. When I'm naming it the daily, we're just gonna put the letter D here. Yeah. So here we have the daily here. Fair value gap, you get me? So I don't know if price touched it as of yet. Let's see. Did it touch it? I don't know. But if it didn't touch it, the market has to, when it opens touching here, hopefully make a retracement. Yeah, and if it was to go for the buy side, if it was to go for the sell side, it will give us a rejection here and we'll aim for the sell side to game. So let's go to the 4 hour real quick. So on the 4 hour, suggest this to you. So on the 4 hour, as you can see, price did touch here, you hear me? So when the market opens on Monday, tomorrow, we're gonna see what happens here. But as of yet, it left this huge fair value gap here. So will it come back? Will it come back to retrace inside this fair value gap? I don't know. If we have to wait and see. But if it gives a rejection on here, we might be aiming for this to close this fair value gap, at least maybe until here, you get me? Somewhere here we close this fair value gap, but until somewhere here. Let me just do this. So you might come here to retrace and feel something here. Did I tap this or is it my network, mind? You feel me? Somewhere here. I think it's my network. Before it can go up, you get me? If it wants to go up right now, because how the market is behaving is confusing me. I don't know the direction. Is a buy or sell, you get me? Because it's inside the consolidation, so it's a bit tricky, you get me? But it's gonna confirm on Monday what he wants to do. So you have to let the Monday trade go to understand what the market wants to do. But as for right now, that's just what I'm seeing. I think I'm gonna do for, let me see. Right now the network is a problem. Let me wait for the network to come back real quick. Okay, so the network is back, you feel me? So we might wait for price to come back here to retest this fair value gap before it can move forward. If it wants to go above, you feel me? If it wants to go above, so it will confirm on Monday what he wants to do, or he will do something like this. It will just go, start shoot straight above here and retest this to go above, you feel me? If it wants to go, you feel me? But I'll just confirm everything on Monday. So let's look at gold, not gold, nasdaq real quick. So right now we're on gold, not gold, nasdaq again, weekly time frame. There's not much I've been seeing. Nasdaq has been buying, as you can see, you get me? So but right now it's looking like it wants to do a retracement. As you can see from here, it's looking like it's trying to do a retracement to this fair value gap. You have this fair value gap, and let's go to the daily time frame real quick. So right now we're on the daily time frame, and as you can see, the market has been selling again. It's sold on Thursday and Friday. You feel me? And we have this fair value gap after breaking this low. Let me just mark this out here. And that way, let's give it some time. Okay, this fair value gap, I just marked it out right here. Let me change it to a dark color, and please, inside it I'm gonna put, my network is a problem. You see they're saying I'm offline. Let me just do this. I'm gonna put D here, then I'm gonna say inverted fair value gap. You get. So this is our inverted fair value gap here. You get me? So the market might do something like this. As you can see, it broke this low here. It's gonna create a market structure shift. You feel me? So it might retest on this and go below to come to here to break this liquidity. As you can see, we have liquidity resting here and this low plus the fair value gap of the week. You get me? So let me let the network come back again. Okay, so yeah, we might be looking for something like this for the market to come and retest here for it to go low. So the whole of next week we might be looking for sales on gold. You get on nasdaq. You get me? I'm not sure it's gonna confirm, and it depends on how the market opens and whatnot, because you can just take this liquidity then start to go buying like it was. You get me? But let's go to the 4-hour and let me see if you see anything on the 4-hour. Okay, on the 4-hour right now. Just this real quick. Yeah, it was a strong sell on Friday and Thursday. So yeah, man, as you can see, the market is below the inverted fair value gap of the daily. You feel me? And it looks like there's liquidity resting here, and the market is close to liquidity. So what might happen? We have a fair value gap here, so the market might opt to come to this fair value gap, but I intended for it to come out until here. Maybe you can touch with the week or something before you can sell. You get me? But for right now, what I'm seeing nasdaq sells and gold. Is it buys or sells? I don't remember. Let me check real quick. Buys, I think. Yeah, I think buys, and unless if it rejects on the what you call it, on that inverted fair value gap that we marked out on gold. Let me see. The network is a problem. So yeah, this you feel me? This inverted fair value gap. So if it rejects on here, we're looking for sales. But if it has to reject to come here, if it has to fill here, you get me? So we have to sell to buy, or sell to target this low. You feel me? It depends on how it opens and how we trade on Monday, basically. So basically that will be it for the forecast. So on Monday when you open, don't be confused why we put these things here. You feel me? Because you know what they come from. You feel me? That's why it's important to watch the forecast. You get me? So when you come across this thing, don't be surprised why I marked them out. You feel me? So yeah, man, that's it for me. Thank you for tuning. Thank you for your time. I appreciate your time again.